In today's video, I'm going to show you a cool trick with ChatGPT that you probably don't know about. We'll be customizing ChatGPT to make it more personalized and suit your own needs. Now, first things first, I'm going to show you exactly where you can customize ChatGPT. Navigate the cursor to the lower left corner of the screen and click your account name right here. Then, as you'll see right below the email address right here, click the Customize ChatGPT option. Then this particular window will pop up like this. See? Also, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. When opening the Customize ChatGPT, you'll see the custom instructions and its set of two text boxes, each specifically for detailed context depending how ChatGPT would respond as relevant to your needs and the style or format of how you want ChatGPT to respond. For instance, I'm planning to write a story script. So what I typed here in the first text box is my professional background, but I made it simple like, I work as a script writer for YouTube videos. Then here's another input I just typed in. Let's say my hobbies. During my spare time, I express my creativity through writing fictional plots and stories. Now, with the second text box here, it all depends on what the tone and structure that modified ChatGPT's response is. So here's what I typed. This one, the style should be in table format. Once all your custom inputs are settled, click Save. Remember, you can edit it at any time. Also, if you want to disable, click the switch option right next to Enable for new chats. So for now, let's click Save. Now, with your custom inputs typed in and set up, every time you open a new chat, ChatGPT will have all the information from your custom instructions to specify what it would generate depending on what you prompted. So my prompt here is, make a horror story script structure on the plot about the fear of sleeping. And let's see how ChatGPT generates the customization. Let's see. As you can see, the results are now more accurate like I prompted. It even knows I wanted it to be in table form, as you'll see right here, while it was still generating. See? Everything that I typed in my custom instructions, all of it right here. And there you have it. These are the steps on how you customize ChatGPT.